Good morning, all my subscribers. There's something very interesting I want to make a video about. It is this paint remover. I have like a paint on the floor of the one of the bedrooms that we need to take off. But then I bought like this normal Durham strip paint remover. You get different brands, and then but the smell is very bad. Then I thought let's get a low smell for paint remover. Duros is they call it the echo strip. Is I guess is like something more natural, but this is not good. This doesn't work. And then I actually decided to show you what's happening here. This is the normal Dura strip. I took a piece of metal with this I think it's a normal PVC. It's not a PVA. It's a gloss paint. So this is more the one that I battle with. So I just wanna go and I'm gonna put this on here. 2 pieces. I'm gonna get this out in the bottle here. You can see this. It's a very wobbly jelly type of, but I don't want to mix. I'm gonna take my screwdriver and just put this on this paint here and see that you can see what's happening with this stuff. And now I'm gonna close this lid quickly because this smells a bit bad. That's why I actually wanted to use the other one. Here's Durham. Let's put this on here. You can see the substance is a little bit more flowable. And I'm going to take another screwdriver just to go and put it here. It's like a purple type of color. Okay, just going to actually need to focus this stuff a little bit more. Just going to take this more. You guys can see. Now I'm going to leave it for a while. I can leave it for 10 minutes. What happened with this echo? With this echo stuff, this echo type, it was like all became watery, and then the substance looks funnier than this one. This one you can see the flakes coming up, but this one just stay left it for half an hour, then actually dries up, but nothing is happening. So I don't know why they sell this stuff. So be careful when you buy any echo product if you want a paint stripper. I'm just going to switch the video off and wait 10 minutes, and then I'm going to start again and then just give it a while to work. Righto, 10 minutes are past. Now you can see, I just want to show you what's happening here. Now look, now this normal stuff, you can see the flakes happening here. You all know it. Look how easy. You can somehow go with a Stanley knife blade or so, any blade, and it scrape it off. Look how nice that it removes the paint. No problem. But the stuff smells bad. Now look at this echo strip. Look here. Absolutely nothing. Nothing is happening here. I don't know what they try. And what's happening with this stuff, you'll see what I notice, this stuff's getting like they all form a funny type of substance, and there's like a watery things part that they separate, stays behind. So I don't know how long you need to leave this, or how they're supposed to take your paint off. This is a big question. So this is gonna very irritate you. And look at this nice stuff. Look here. This is what you need. You can take all the paint off. This stuff is not even trying to, if I look at the paint here, I don't know. So it shows you this echo stuff doesn't work. Let me just refocus here. Any echo type of paint remover is bad. It's not working. Buy the normal, I think it's the same product, the same recipe, and different brands you get for the normal paint remover. As I say, it smells a bit bad, but it says here non-toxic, gel formulated, low odor. But this is bad stuff. Okay, this is just for interest sake. If you ever need to buy Echo paint stripper, that's gonna irritate the hell out of you. Takes a very long time to start working, or not even close. This is just all for me this morning. Have a nice day further. Till next time. Cheers.